What mysteries lie beyond this cosmic nexus? This is beyond anything I could have imagined.
Hey, how was this video? I created this video within a few minutes. And believe me, after watching this video, you will also be able to create this kind of animated video, although you have zero knowledge of animation. Because in this video, I am going to break down the full workflow. So without further ado, let's dive in. Today, I will use the Luma Lab Dream Machine to create our animation video. Luma Labs recently released the Dream Machine, and some of the outputs coming out of this tool are really amazing. In this video, we will explore how we can use this for animations. Alright, to access Dream Machine, head over to the LumaLabs.ai on your browser. After coming to this page, click the Try Now button and sign in with your Google account. The good thing is that they actually have a free tier where you get about 30 generations per month for free. So we can try the tool for free at this moment. Here in this box, we have to enter our prompt. You can turn your images into a video also. Let's try with a text prompt first. I am simply typing, a young scientist working in a high-tech lab. It's a pretty basic prompt. If you want to enhance the prompt, then click on the Enhance Prompt checkbox and then hit this Send button. You can see that Dream Machine starts its work. It will take some time, so we need to wait. And this is the result. I think it's a pretty good result, but there is a catch. This footage is in a realistic style. We can solve this issue with the prompt, but if we want to create a film or story, we need a consistent character, and Luma Labs Dream Machine can't generate so many consistent characters. So we need to create some images with consistent characters and then turn them into videos. Don't worry, I'm going to share the method of creating consistent character images in the free method. Okay, open a new tab and then access your ChatGPT account. After logging into your ChatGPT account, come to the GPT store. Here we have to find a custom GPT called Consistent Character GPT, fast and high quality. If you are a paid user, you can create images directly with this GPT. And if you are a free user, then you can generate the image prompts with this GPT. I will do that. So before creating any character, paste this prompt into the prompt box. I will put it into the description box. Okay, now we need to describe our character's gender. I already generated a story for my video with ChatGPT. According to my story, we have a young male scientist. So I am typing male. Next, according to the story scientist, I am entering the name of the scientist, Johnny. Alright, now we have to write about some details about Johnny. So I am typing 25 years old, American scientist, dark brown hair, white shirt, black pants, big size Converse. And here it is, our character description prompt is ready. Now we have to create images with any image generator. I will do it with DALL E3 on Microsoft Copilot. I'm going to head over to Microsoft Copilot, create an account for free and simply paste that prompt here and hit. Alright, so you can see we have an image here of Johnny. Now let's create the second one. According to my story, Johnny is working in his lab. So I am typing Johnny working in his lab. And our second image prompt is ready. Copy the prompt and head over to the Microsoft Copilot. And this is our new images. It looks pretty much the same as our character image. You can see a little bit of changes, but it's okay. In this method, generate all the images for every scene. I have generated all the images. Sometimes if you need some minor changes in background or character, you can do it with the Microsoft Designer tool. Now it's time to generate videos with this image. Alright, come back to Luma Labs Dream Machine. Click on the small image icon from here and then upload your image. And this time around, I'm not going to type any prompt. I'm actually going to give it the creative directive and just click on Generate and see what it does with it. And for this one, this actually came out pretty good. Most of the time you get a lot of weirdness if you give it the complete creative directive. So here's an example where I didn't have a prompt. You can see there are some unusual movements and morphing which I don't like at all. So now I will add the prompts to see the difference. Basically, I will add the scene description according to the storyline. And this is the result. You can see, this time the result is just incredible. So in my opinion, the image plus describing what you want it to do gets you the best results from the many examples that I've tried. And sometimes what I do is also take the exact prompt that I use in the image generator. And here's an example of that where I attached this image and I gave it the exact same prompt that I used in DALL-E, and the result is so amazing. So in my opinion, in general, if you want to get the best of this, generate your image from an image generation tool, bring it on here, and use the exact same prompt or similar prompt that you used in the image generator on this, and then add additional kind of animations that you would like to see the character doing. In that method, generate videos with all the images you have created already. Okay, our video clips are ready. What next? You may have noticed that my video character is talking. So we need to create lip sync. You can do it with any lip sync generator. LumaLabs Studio is one of them. It works on Canva. You can use it for free. After logging into your Canva account, come to the Apps tab from here. Search for LumaLabs Studio on the search bar. After getting the LumaLabs app, open it. A pop-up will appear. Click on Use in a new design from here, and then select Video as the design. This is the LumaLabs apps page. Now we have to select the face. So, I'm uploading the first video clip, where we need a lip sync. After uploading the video clip, we need to select the voiceover. You can generate audio with LumaLabs Studio or upload pre-generated or recorded voiceover clips. I am uploading a voiceover clip. After uploading the voiceover, hit the Start button. It will take some to create the lip sync. In that time, I am going to share another method to create lip sync. This time I will use Runway ML. Once logged into your Runway ML account, click on Try Lip Sync from here. Now first, you have to enter the script text or upload the audio clip. After entering the audio, come to the Add a Face option. Click on Browse or Upload from here, and then upload the video clip. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button. Okay, we have got both lip sync video clips. Let's have a look.
Eureka! I finally cracked the code!
This one is created by LumaLabs, and this one is by Runway ML.
Eureka! I finally cracked the code!
I think Runway ML did a great job. Here is another point to be noted. Runway is paid, but you can use LumaLabs for free. So you need to decide which one you want to use. Alright, in the same method, generate or create lip sync with all the dialogue on your video. I have already done it. Now I will assemble all of them with a video editor. After importing all the assets into your video editor, insert them into the timeline in ascending order. Okay, I am done. Now one last thing, we need background music and sound effects. You can download royalty-free BGM from Pixabay or any other website, or generate them with free AI tools like Suno AI. I already collected some of them. I will place them according to the need. Don't forget to adjust the volume. Alright, after everything is done, export the video on your device. My video has been exported. Let's have a look.
Eureka! I finally cracked the code!
What mysteries lie beyond this cosmic nexus? This is beyond anything I could have imagined.
In this way, you can create your animated film with the help of AI. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about creating an animated film with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!